So in this video I'm going to show you one tool that you can use to determine the isotopes and the number of protons, neutrons, electrons, atomic number, and mass number. And that is to use a box. Alright, now you're probably not going to see a box on problems that you're going to have on your quizzes and tests, but it's okay if you do your own box. It's a great little tool to help you with that. Alright, so for this box we're going to have the isotope in the first column, the symbol, then Z, A, P, N, and E. Okay, so if you keep everything in that order, it'll make things easier for you. So remember that to write the isotope, you write the name of the element followed by the mass number, or A. The symbol, we're going to put the mass number in front of the symbol. Z, remember, is the atomic number. You can find that on the periodic table. It's the same as the protons. A is your mass number, so protons plus neutrons. P is your protons, same as atomic number Z. We find that on the periodic table. N is your neutrons, so that's going to be A minus P or A minus Z, either one. And then electrons, because these are all neutral, these are going to be the same as your protons. Alright, so here's the way this works. So we start with carbon 14. Alright, remember that this 14 is A. That's your mass number. Okay, so 14 is your mass number. So the symbol for carbon is C. So we're going to put that mass number in front as a 14. Now notice that I'm leaving Z off. Of course, if you wanted to put the 6 in here, you certainly could. So Z is your atomic number, and that is our 6, okay, from the periodic table. So our protons are 6, and our electrons are also 6. So remember that Z, P, and E are all the same. Okay, so to find neutrons, what we do is we do A minus P. So 14 minus 6 gives me an 8. Alright, so we can use different pieces of information to find our protons, neutrons, and electrons. So for example, here we have Z and we have A given. So Z is the one that we can use to figure out what our element is. It comes from our periodic table. So if we look at our periodic table, we're going to see that Z is copper. Okay, or 29 is copper, I should say. So copper, and then our isotope is going to be copper 65. Remember that A goes back here. So Cu is our symbol, 65 in front. Then our protons and our electrons are the same as Z. So to get N, we're going to subtract 65 minus 29, and have that over here, is 36. Now pause the video and complete your box. I'll give you a minute to do that, and then I'm going to show you the answer. And here are all the answers. So you can pause and you can check yourself and make sure that you got the correct answers, and we'll do some more practice.